Alright, in this video we are going to see how to create this animation using GSAP. So let's get started. The very first thing what you need is you just need 3 files. So let me create from scratch. Let me create the HTML first, Control N, Control S, and I'm going to name this as index.html. I'll keep it in the same folder. Actually it's index.html. That's already there is a name, so let me make this index2.html. So the other file that we need is style.css. I'll name it as style2.css, and one more file, Control N, save it as script2.js. Fine. On the index file, let me show you what are the things needed. We need some CDN. So the CDN is GSAP. You will get in the you can get it from the internet. Now what are the things that we need? We have external style sheet, which we will be making it in a minute, and we have external script tag, script file, and I am naming it as script2 and style2. Then we have the CDN for GSAP. You can see gsap.main.js, and then we have the font family called Roboto, and the font awesome icon, which is not needed for this one. Cool. Now we need to create the HTML. I need a div with class container, and after the div we need content div. This content will hold h3, and you can give any letter, and then we need a div with class intro, and inside the intro we need to create a div again with class hide text, and inside that we have span some text, and we need three more lines, 2 and 3, and finally after the intro div we need another div with class slider. So here it is. This is what we have done it. Let me copy paste the same thing so that some pre-added text comes with us. We will not waste time on creating the text again. So the same container has content, and then again the next div is intro, and again the third div is slider. Inside the intro we have hide text. So far let me comment these two div, and we will just focus on the content div. So if I refresh it, Control O from the Chrome, it will open the file explorer. Index2 is the file which we have created right now. Now the text has shown. Now what we are going to style the style2.css. So for the style2.css, I am going to make a what do we call, you can see for all the element I want padding, margin, and font family to be Roboto. Fine. Now we have container. Inside container we have content. Inside content we have h3, and then again container we have we have intro, which is a class, and then we have hide text div inside intro, and then the hide text has span, and then we have slider. Cool. So far we don't need this, we will make it in a minute, so we'll work on this. The container, we want the container to have width of 100 vertical width, and height as 100 vertical height, which will take the full screen. Then background image, I'll use a shorthand property URL, and the image name is going to be bg.jpg, and I want the background size to be cover. Now if we see, we should see the image. Cool. Now we will place the text on the center. So for that, display flex, align items center, justify content center, and color white. Now if you see, it will be at the center. So we have to give again height to this to make it height 100%. Cool. Now let's add the font size for the H3, 50 pixel. Cool. Now we don't want to show it at first, so opacity 0. Now let's work on intro. For the HTML, let us unhide the intro part. Now let's see how does it looks. So if you see, it is behind. So for that, now we want the intro to show up on the front of the screen. So actually display, position fixed, left 0, top 0, background black, width 100% and height 100%. Refresh it. Actually I have not commented it. Let me remove this. Fine, we got it completely covering up the whole screen. Now we want the hide text. Let whatever is there inside, let's make the color white. Refresh it. Now we'll make this at the center, just as we did for the H3, the same thing. Refresh this. Now we got it at the center, but it's in the same line. We want to add flex direction column, so it will be one below the other. Let's add the same font size for the span, and let us make this display inline block, and let's make the overflow hidden for the container, and let's make transform translate y minus 150 pixel. If you see, it is gone, but is actually, if I remove the overflow hidden, now if you see, it is over here. So if we make this display hidden, it hides. Fine. Now let's uncomment the slider. For the slider, we are going to add the same thing, display position fixed, so that it covers up, and let us make this color as somewhat gray. Cool. Let us make this slightly dark. Fine. Now let's work on the style script tag. For the script tag, we need to declare the GSAP. So to declare the GSAP, which we have already seen in the previous video, this is the episode 2. We have declared a constant called timeline, and we have declared for all the element the duration is default, which is 1 second. Now with the help of this variable, we can call the element on the first parameter, and the second element is going to be the second parameter is going to be the object, which we can do some stuff. The first thing what we need is, we want the slider div to go sorry, before making this, let us make the slider transform translate y. I want this to come below, so 100%. Now let's see, it is below. Now with the help of this JavaScript, we are calling it. If I refresh it, and I want this to move top. Cool, that is working. Now the same way, I want the text which is hidden, which class hide text. Inside a text we have span tag, and I want the y to be 0%. If I refresh, but this should come above the slider. Cool. Now I want this one by one, so stagger colon 1 second, and let's add a margin to the h3. Margin top 20 pixel. Refresh it. There is some problem. This should come out. Sorry, this should come inside. And after the slider goes, I want the content to go with it. Not the content, but the intro div. Let's add the delay minus 0.7 or 8. Refresh it again. There is some problem. Let the stagger be 0.4, and the delay equal to minus. Cool. Now the final thing, we just have to show the h3 from the content h3 opacity 1. Refresh it. Cool. That's all for this video.